Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to discuss about sum of series. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the part 5 of sum of series. Today the sum of series will be not with one sign but it will be more than one sign. So this is a little bit tricky. I want you all to follow the steps properly. If you can't understand it at one go, you can see the video more than once, or in between you can just pause the video and then you make some notes and then you continue again. So let's start. Let's start with the first program. Now if you see over here, we have s equals to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus. So over here the difference is we don't have the same sign. We don't have plus throughout, or we don't have minus or multiplication throughout. So we have got first we have minus over here, plus, minus, and so on. So in order to do this kind of problem, we are supposed to use a technique, and we are supposed to use the if-else statement inside the for loop. So before that, a few things that you must know. If you look at it over here, now first question I would like to ask you all, can you tell me what is the first sign? Is it minus or plus? In this sum of series, is it minus or plus? Okay, I think some of you got it correct and some of you got it wrong. Some of you told me it's minus and some of you are saying it's plus. So let's have a look. Now, most of you, those who have answered minus, you are wrong. Why? Because before 1 we have a sign, and if there is no sign, that means it is plus. So what I'll do over here is, whenever there is a plus sign, I'll just mark the position. So this is position 1, then 2, this is position 2, this is position 3, this is position 4, and this is position 5, and so on. And what I'll do is, I'll just group plus sign together, and I'll group the minus sign together. If you see the grouping of plus sign, we have 1, 3 and 5. I'm talking about the position, not the value. The position of plus sign is 1, 3, 5. So that means whenever the position is odd, it has to add. And if you look at minus, we have got 2 and 4, and it will be 6 and 8 and so on. So whenever the position is even, we have to use minus. So we'll use even and odd number program. I hope you have done that using if-else statement. So that logic we are going to use in this program. So before starting off with the sign, first few things like the program has to be done till n. So the loop has to be filled up. The starting point you all know, it's 1. So I equals to 1. So the program will be done normally like for n, if it's for nth, or if it is still a number, we have to do the loop and all those things in that way. Only difference will be we are going to add some new things. Otherwise the program remains the same. Over here the ending point will be n. So I is less than equals to n. And if you look at the number 1, 2, 3, so over here the number is incrementing by 1. So I plus plus. So this is how we frame our loop. The value of n has to be taken from the user. We already know that s has been declared as 0 because all the numbers are integer. So that's why we have taken integer and s equals to 0. And if you see, I have used one variable over here. The name of the variable is sign. So that you understand, you can use any other name as well over here. But I am naming it as sign so that you understand, okay, it's used for plus and minus. And I have set it as 1 because the first position of the sign will be 1. Then it will be 2, 3 and so on. Now inside the loop, if you see, this part of the program is done just to understand whether it will be plus or minus. If sign modulus 2 equals to 0. So whenever a number modulus 2 and gives you a remainder 0, that means that number is even. And whenever you modulus 2 and you don't get 0, you get 1, that means the number is odd. So we are going to use that logic over here. So whenever the sign is even, if you have a look over here, whenever the sign is even, that means we have to put minus. So here we will put s equals to s minus. So we'll just keep this till here. And let's check the else part. We'll fill up this later. So here this will be s minus. I hope you have understood this one. Whenever the sign is a even number position, that means it will be minus. And if this statement is false, it will go to the else part. Now in the else part, the position of sign over here is odd. So whenever this odd position, you can see the sign is plus. So this will be s plus. So this way we are supposed to frame. Now what we are supposed to minus and what we are supposed to add, we will check it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is I. So over here it will be S minus I and over here S plus I. And every time the value of sign increments by 1. So what happens over here? First time the value of sign is 1. So 1 modulus 2 equals to 0 is false. So it will go to the else part. So the first thing what will happen? 1 will be added. So S plus I. After that the value of sign increases. Now the value of sign becomes 2. 2 means 2 modulus 2 equals to 0 is true. That means it will go inside this and it will subtract. So minus 2. So S minus I. Again the value of sign will increase. It will become 3. Then 3 modulus 2 equals to 0 false. It will go to else. So this way it will go to else, again if, else, if. So in alternative loop the program is going once to else then if. So it is getting subtracted also, added also. So this way we are supposed to do this program. And after everything we are supposed to display the sum of series. So this is how we solve the first program over here. And the logic over here, this logic you can use for any sum of series program where the sign is different. The only change if the series is different and all those things, the manipulation has to be done over here in the loop. But rest of the things remains the same. There are other techniques as well, but I want you to follow this because this technique is used in every program wherever sum of series has different sign. The second program over here, I have taken a fractional series and then what I have done is in place of n I have taken it till a number, so till 20. And over here we have got one more variable a, the value we have to get it from the user. So first thing, I have declared all the data type as double. You know that because we are using fractions. I have taken I for the loop, a we have to take it from the user, S I have declared it as 0.0 and as you can see the sign, it's plus minus, so that's why I have taken a variable named sign as well and declared it as 1.0. Then I have taken the value of a from the user. Now we are going to start the program. Now before starting the program, you know there are few things we are supposed to do. First thing, okay, let's use the starting point and ending point technique to frame the loop. Now we know that in the numerator we have got a throughout, so we are not going to use the numerator for loop. So the denominator, the first thing over here, starting point we have 2, so we'll write down I equals 2. The ending point, if you can see, we have got 20, so I'll write down less than equals to 20. And the numbers are incrementing by 2. If you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, so it's incrementing by 2. So over here we'll write down I equals to I plus 2. Now moving on, we have to check the sign. By now you already know the first sign over here is plus. So the plus position is 1. Then minus position is 2. Plus position is 3. Then again we got 4 and then we got 5. So let's group them again. So minus I have grouped them together and plus I have grouped them together. So if you can see over here, the plus sign is 1, 3, 5. So odd number means plus and 2, 4. So even number over here means minus. So over here, sign modulus 2 equals to 0. That means the position of sign over here will be even. So even number means 2, 4 means minus. So we write down S minus. Now let's do this little bit later. Else means the sign position is odd. Odd means 1, 3, 5 we got over here plus sign. So we'll write down S equals to S plus. Now we have to fill in the space over here, the blank. So to fill up this one, what we will do is, the first thing we have to take the term, the numerator is always a. So we'll write down in the bracket, I hope you have understood why I am using brackets so that we are not confused because we have got fractional number over here. So we are writing over here a and divided by 2, 4, 6, 8. So every time the numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 means I, because I started from 2 till 20 incrementing by 2. So we are a divided by I. So this is how we complete the first set. Now second one also, if you look at the pattern is almost the same. It's a divided by I. So we are also S plus a divided by I. So this is how we complete the if-else statement. I hope you have understood this one. After that we increment the value of sign over here because sign has to be positive then negative. So first it will go to the else statement, it will add plus a by 2. Then you'll go to the if statement, it will subtract minus a by 4. Then again it will come over here plus a by 6 minus a by 8 and so on. The sign keeps on changing. And after the loop is over, we display the sum of series. So this way we are supposed to use if-else statement wherever there is a sign. Now, the programs which we have discussed earlier about n term and till a number can be implemented. Just the thing is, this part has to be included in your program whenever there is a change in the sign. So in this part, I am going to do two programs which is already done. I hope you have understood. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you have any doubts, queries regarding anything that has been discussed today, you can mention that in the comment section. And you also know the program written over here are not complete. So if you want to download the complete program, you can download it from the link given in the description. Now, this brings us to the end of sum of series. The next topic that I am going to discuss in my upcoming video is going to be number programs. So that is the new topic that I have decided I will be making a new video on. So till then, I want you all to stay safe, stay at home, and don't forget to stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Accidental Teacher. Now for any reason, if you have to go outside, please don't forget to put this on.